Vivo just dropped a new budget-friendly phone in India, the Vivo Y31 Pro, and it's packing a massive 6,500 milliampere-hour battery, a Dimensity 7300 chipset, and a price tag that might surprise you. Let's break it down. So, what's new with the Vivo Y31 Pro? On the front, you're getting a 6.72-inch LCD display with full HD plus resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 1050 nits of brightness. Pretty solid for a phone in this price range. Under the hood, Vivo has equipped it with the MediaTek Dimensity 7300, paired with 8GB RAM and up to 256GB of storage. Powering it all is the gigantic 6,500 milliampere-hour battery with 44-watt fast charging. So running out of juice shouldn't be a problem. For cameras, there's a 50-megapixel main sensor plus a 2-megapixel depth sensor on the back, and an 8-megapixel selfie camera up front. It runs Android 15 with Origin OS 15 right out of the box. Other perks? You're getting stereo speakers, dual SIM support, IP60 for water and dust resistance, MILSTD 810H durability certification, a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, plus Bluetooth 5.4 and Wi-Fi 6, all packed into an 8.9mm slim body. Now, the big question, pricing. The Y31 Pro comes in mocha brown and dreamy white. The 8GB plus 128GB model costs 18,999 rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB version is priced at 20,999 rupees in India. It's already available on Amazon India, Vivo's official store, and offline retailers. What do you guys think? Is the Vivo Y31 Pro the best budget phone under 20,000 right now? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more smartphone updates. Thanks for watching.